I left this sweet potato for about 3 months now. It's into the water, yeah. And I've been waiting for the roots. I don't know if you can see it. And for the little stem to grow. So I cut it from here. Place the little stem into the water, and now it's into the water for about 3 weeks. And I got the roots, and now it's time to plant into the soil. So yesterday we built this raised bed from the leftover of the wood that we bought for the table, and I'm going to plant the sweet potato over here. Okay. Okay, let's fill it up. Okay. So I'm gonna plant it over here. Please grow. And our house is almost ready. As you can see, we removed the blinds so we can start with the porch. It's so bright without blinds. So Sergey now is gonna clean up the ceiling.
Yeah, we are trying to clean up the ceiling because the previous owner had it open, so there is a lot of birds poo and stuff like that.
Dust.
A lot of dust built up over
Spider
generations. Spider nets, anything, whatever you can imagine, it's there. So we are now trying to clean it up, and we have just discovered a secret window. Apparently, so this is exactly where our bathroom is, just behind the wall. So apparently we didn't know about that. The previous owner just put some gypsum board on the other side, tiled it up, and here they never bothered. They just closed it with the painting, and this is what we have.
We're gonna stay like that for the moment.
For the moment, yes. And today is the day when we have finally moved to paint our porch. We have decided that the lower part of the porch, as you can see, it's divided in two parts. So the lower part of the porch we will paint it white, while the upper part will remain wooden color as it stays now, because we just cannot reach up there and it is too complicated and too much job. So we are just gonna paint it all white, and hopefully it's gonna be very, very nice. But still, as you can see, there is a lot of job to do. The lining wood is one of the most, for me personally, it's like one of the most difficult wood to paint. All these little gaps here. Anyway, I'm pretty sure we will manage it.
And we have reached our milestone. We are going to assemble the sofa today. Yeah.
Yay! Finally, today is the day.
Seems like everything. Only new stuff. Rug, sofa, chair, whatever. Ta-da! I can't believe it.
And we never thought that one of the most difficult part is to remove the stickers from IKEA shelves.
I cannot do it.
This is it. We cannot continue.
And today I'm gonna prepare the cured salmon. I never did it before. I found a recipe on internet, so let's hope everything is gonna be okay. And I'm gonna cut off the skin, then I'm gonna prepare the brine with water, salt and sugar, and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. So that's the salmon that we prepared yesterday. Now we are gonna flip it. And it's gonna stay 2 more nights into the fridge. We place back the wings. And back into the fridge. And that's our salmon after being marinated for 4 days. Let's check it out. Looks so yummy. Okay, let's try it. Try it.
It's really good.
Good job. Is it hot, baby? I think so. Oh. Kiss. Try to give me a kiss. No, kiss. No, no. Sure you don't want to kiss me? What are you saying? So after a week of rain and wind, finally we got back the blue sky and it's really hot. So we decided to dedicate this week to the garden, right?
Yes, exactly. And so what we're trying to do now is we are going to use the carton to cover the roots, so hopefully it can keep the moisture a little bit longer, and it's going to help our trees to survive longer throughout a hot, very hot summer.
Very hot summer.
And today we have started to work on our own table. Unfortunately, all already ready tables are quite expensive in the area where we live. So we have decided to do the table by ourselves. So I bought this wood, which is a raw wood. So first we need to properly sand it, then sand it again, then connect it all together, attach some fancy legs, sand again, paint, and then apply some sort of varnish. So So the wood now is all sanded. However, I have no idea what to do next. Because I thought first that I should just put those two planks on top of each other and then just connect them, but unfortunately there is no straight cut in any of the plank. So I think I'm gonna do something like this, like 4 planks on top, 3 planks at the bottom. Yeah. So today we got the legs for our table. I really hope that they look exactly like on the picture when we order them. Let's open the box. So we did finish the painting, however the result was horrible because apparently the wood was impregnated with some kind of varnish, so whenever we applied the white color on it, with the white paint on it, the yellow is still popping out, so we have decided to cover the walls with the gypsum boards. It looks much better, so what I need to do now is just to cover the screws. With this I got this kind of like a gypsum paste, and yeah, and then sand it a little bit, and then we paint it white all over again, and it's going to be much better.
And now guys, I will give you a quick update about our porch. So inside is almost done, but we got a problem with our door. So before we had a sliding door, and since the house is made of wood, with the years, as you know, the wood might lean to the sides and move. So we got a problem with the sliding door. We had a huge gap like that, and we couldn't fix it. We tried so many ways. It was impossible to fix it, so the easier things it was to buy a new door, and I will show you in which condition we are right now. That's our door. I mean, there is no door there. And we got so unlucky because exactly in those days we got a huge storm. It was raining, windy, and actually protect us a lot. And right now we are getting a sandstorm. Look at that. Today actually is much better. Yesterday was worst. So we are gonna get the door next week, I guess, hopefully. Yes, all the house is gonna be ready, fully ready, finally. And that's our sliding door. At the moment it's here. We don't know what to do with that. Well, I guess it's gonna stay here for now until we decide what to do. Yes, Yuki. Yes, baby.